Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Technology Tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install VMware Workstation Pro 25H2 in Windows system. So we'll go through the step-by-step process for the installation and configuration of VMware Workstation 2025H2 installation on Windows. So below is the beginner-friendly step-by-step full process to install the VMware Workstation Pro. That is the VMware Workstation Full 25H2 on Windows. This is perfect for the lab setup, DBA practice, Linux and Windows VMs, etc. So, what is the VMware Workstation Pro? VMware Workstation Pro is the professional desktop virtualization software that allow you to run multiple operating systems just like Linux, Windows servers, BSD, etc. as the virtual machines VM on a single Windows PC. So, just like this is my system, this is my PC, and here I will install the VMware Workstation Pro full 25H2, and after that we'll just create the VM for the Windows, just like Ubuntu, Windows Server, and etc. So there is a minimum requirement for the installing this one. So we need the at least Windows 10 or Windows 11 64-bit, and the 64-bit processor with the virtualization enable. Minimum RAM is 4 GB, 8 GB plus is recommended, and at least 10 to 20 GB free for the space, and BIOS and UEFI virtualization must be enabled. So in step one, we'll enable the virtualization. So you can go through this one and you enable this. And in step two, we'll download the VMware Workstation Pro 25H2. So this is the link, official link, and Broadcom. We'll download from there. So you can take notice. So we need the username. So I'm putting my username, not with this account. Okay, I'll go through this. Let me check. Okay, so insert your password also and just click on sign in. So go to the downloads. So we want the free software download available here. If you purchase anything, then you will get a list of this one, list of the purchase product here. So I want the free downloads software. So go to the free, and here you will get VMware Workstation Pro. So click that, and other VC and other things are there. Here is VMware Workstation Pro 25H21 for Windows. If you want to use the Linux, then you can go for the Linux. And Pro 17.0, if you want to use, then go for this one. I want to use the latest version 25H2 for Windows. So click this one. After that, you will get a there is a download option. So if you get this one term and condition, just click checkbox here, open the term and condition and check there, and you click on this one. When you will click on the download arrow, you will get a file like this. So just right click on this and run as a administrator. So I'm going to download this, install this. So click on next. Accept the term and license agreement. So check this. Click on next. Click on next. You will get a path like this. Click on next. So check the product update on the startup. Yes, and join the VMware customer experience improvement program. If you want, then check both the check boxes and go to click on next. I want the shortcut in desktop and start menu programs folder. Click on next. Click on install. So complete the VMware Workstation Pro setup. Now click on finish. So open the VMware Workstation. So this is the view of the VMware Workstation 25H2. Now in next video we'll go through that and we will create the VM and new virtual machines on this. So I have shown you the step-by-step process to VMware Workstation Pro 25H2 installation on Windows. So go through that and follow the process, step-by-step process as I have done. And don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.